Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Ethereum from Gemini to Metamask in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your ETH smoothly and securely. Why bother? Well, Metamask gives you more control over your assets, letting you interact with decentralized apps and DeFi platforms directly from your browser. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Gemini account with some Ethereum and a Metamask wallet set up. If you don't have Metamask yet, download the extension for Chrome or use the mobile app. It's free and easy. Once you're logged into Metamask, go to your wallet and copy your Ethereum address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Now, head over to your Gemini account. Log in. Navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section and select Ethereum as the asset you want to withdraw. Paste in the Metamask address you just copied and enter the amount of ETH you wish to transfer. Gemini might ask for two-factor authentication here, so have that ready to keep things secure. Before you hit confirm, take a second to review the network fees. In 2025, Ethereum transactions often use Layer 2 solutions like Optimism or Arbitrum for faster, cheaper transfers, but Gemini typically uses the main Ethereum network. Double-check that your Metamask is set to the Ethereum mainnet to match. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Gemini, and the transfer should process in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. Voila, your ETH should appear. A quick tip. Always start with a small amount for your first transfer to test things out, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, Gemini and Metamask both have excellent support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital future. See you next time.